Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I would like to share you how to create the AI music video. How to do that, so without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, it is better to prepare about the song and what your imagination about the video clip or the music video look like. So for example, I would like to create a video about the folk or acoustic genre, and also I want the video will be presented by the woman that playing guitar and also with this view. So the first step I would need to do is I would generate the image first, and here I am using the Grok AI, and you can click image to generate the picture. And for example, I use this prompt to generate the picture that I would like to present into the music video. And after that, you can continue to select one of this picture and save it into your device. And for example, I choose this picture that I will use into my music video, and you can after that save it into your device. And the next step is I would like to transform this picture into the video. So I will use the Gemini to create or transform this picture into the video with the VO3 style. And you can also add the another prompt like I want that this woman not only silent but also strumming the guitar, and the dog and the cat also enjoying the music. And after that we will receive the video right here, and you can continue to download it until it will be saved into your device. And for the third step is I would like to create the music. Here we will use the suno.com, and don't forget to do the login first with your email. And as you can see that for the new user, they will usually give you 50 credits that can be create several songs. And for example, I have tried to create a song, and the credits is has been decreased, and the left is 40 credits. So you can start to describe your song. For example, I put this prompt into this Suno, and after that you can also add the inspiration. For example, I want that this video to be more organic. Well, it is like the genre of the music itself. I prefer to choose the country music, and you can also zoom in or zoom out the look of this. For example, I will choose the clean sound acoustic country. There you go. There will be our genre. And after that, you can continue to click create. And after that, the music will be shown over here on the right section. And you can start to listen to it. Good morning, dog. So if you would like to see about the verse, you can click this section, and it will show you the lyric over here. And if you would like to download it, then you can start to click this three button and click download and click MP3 audio. And since we have the 8 second of video, then it is okay. We can try to cut it first. And what after the the audio has been saved into your device, you can visit this mp3cutter.net to trim your audio. For example, I will trim it into the 8 second, and after that you can click save. And After that, you can click save, then it will be directly saved or downloaded into your device. And this is the time to combine everything in it. So we will use the sing.so that will help us to the video from this Gemini to be to song the video, the audio that we have just made from this Suno. So the first step you need to do, of course, you need to do the login first with this Sing So, and after that you can continue to click create project. And for example, I will type the title is Good Morning God, for example, and click create, and it will direct you into this section, and you can start to upload the video that we have just made from the Gemini, for example here. And after that you can upload the song that we have trimmed in this mp3 cutter or have also been produced by thisuno.com. You can click this section, and for example I will choose this one, click open, and kindly wait for this Sing So to process, and you can continue to click lip sync here. Click it, and this AI will process your video. And don't worry, because I have prepared for you guys about the video that has done. Morning dog. It's like giving the greeting for this pet. Good morning dog, good morning cat, and also the feeling of grateful to the God about the other day. You can also see or watch the video into the full screen. Good morning, God. But maybe the Sing So don't really give you the very detail of the gesture of this woman. But if you would like to try it, so you can try this Sing So. And if you would like to download it, then you can continue to click download video, and this video will officially save into your device. So that's all guys, I hope this video finds you helpful, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment down below, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.